Russian President Vladimir Putin has claimed that a locally developed vaccine for COVID-19 has been given approval after less than 2 months of testing on humans. Vladimir Putin said the vaccine had passed all the required checks, adding that his daughter had already been given it. Officials have said they plan to start mass vaccination drive in October. But some experts have raised concerns about the speed of Russia's work, suggesting that researchers might be cutting corners. The World Health Organization (WHO) urged Russia last week to follow international guidelines for producing a vaccine against COVID-19. On Tuesday, the WHO said it had been in talks with Russian authorities about undertaking a review of the vaccine. The so-called vaccine is known as Sputnik V. Currently, the Russian vaccine is not among the WHO's list of 6 vaccines that have reached Phase 3 clinical trials, which involve more widespread testing in humans. More than 100 vaccines around the world are in early development, with some of those being tested on people in clinical trials. But experts think that a fully functional vaccine might not be available until mid-2021. President Putin said the vaccine, developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute, offered sustainable immunity against the coronavirus. He said he knew the vaccine was quite effective, and stressed that it had passed all needed checks. Mr. Putin also said the vaccine had been given to one of his daughters, who was feeling fine despite a brief temperature increase. He also further added, after the first injection her temperature was 38 degrees, the next day 37.5, and that was it. After the second injection her temperature went up slightly, then back to normal.